Have you ever wondered why some games keep you coming back for more? It turns out, game developers have borrowed a few pages from the gambling industry's playbook. Enter the world of loot boxes and gacha mechanics. These features offer random rewards, just like slot machines or card packs in casinos. The excitement of uncertain outcomes taps into our desire for reward, enticing us to spend more. But that's not all. Game developers use time-limited events and exclusive offers to create a fear of missing out. This psychological trick, known as FOMO, compels players to invest more time and money, keeping them engaged and spending. Ever noticed how easy it is to spend small amounts frequently in games? Virtual currencies and microtransactions make it seem affordable, but those small purchases can quickly add up to significant expenses. Now, let's talk about the big spenders known as whales. Game developers design content and offers specifically targeting these players, providing exclusive advantages and items that encourage even more spending. However, not everyone is thrilled about these practices. Critics argue that the resemblance to gambling can normalize risky spending behaviors and impact vulnerable players, particularly children. In response to these concerns, some countries have implemented regulations such as age restrictions, disclosure requirements, or even outright bans on certain mechanics. The ethical and legal debate continues as game developers, regulators, and players seek a balance between engaging experiences and responsible monetization. That wraps up our exploration of how video games use gambling tricks to attract big spenders. Remember, gaming should be enjoyable, but it's important to be mindful of your spending habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.